Assalamu alaikum, grade 8. Welcome to the chapter number 2 of the biology, and alhamdulillah we have completed one chapter of this book, and now we're going to start the chapter number 2, and the name of this chapter is solving a biological problem. Means how we can solve our biological problems. As you have solved your mathematical problems by using mathematical formulas, and in this chapter we'll study how to solve a biological problem. So today we'll start from the page number 20, and we do a quick reading. Science is the systemized knowledge derived from the observation and experiments. These experiments are carried out to determine the principle about how nature operates. Scientists like chemists, biologists, and physicists use the same scientific method to make and test the new theories. In this chapter, we will study the steps of biological method. We will study malaria as an example to understand the steps in detail. So, questions about a biological method. Questions about living things have provided problems that man has investigated to aid his own survival and satisfy his desires to know. The scientific method in which biological problems are solved is termed as biological method. So it's the definition of biological method. You have to memorize only this definition. No need to memorize this paragraph. It comprises the steps a biologist adopt in order to solve a biological problem. Biological method has played an important part in scientific research for almost 500 years. From Galileo's experiment in 1590s to current research, the biological method has contributed to the advancement in the medicine, ecology, technology, etc. Biological methods also ensures the quality of data for the public use. You have to memorize from here. Biological method has played means importance of biological method. You have to write the heading here, importance of biological method, and memorize this paragraph along with this definition. So there is a block here. You have to learn this block also. Man has always been a biologist. He had to be a biologist in order to live. Early in history, he was a hunter of animals and a gatherer of fruits, seeds and roots, etc. The more he knew about animals and their habitat, the more successful hunter he was. The more he knew about plants, the better he distinguished between edible and non-edible plants. So it was all about today's lecture. I'm giving a very short lecture because it's a new chapter. You have to understand the biological methods and its importance. Then we will jump towards what are the steps that are basic steps of the biological method. Allah Hafiz.